Let your brother see it. It's his little cars. Show it to him.
This one.
He's looking at the bottom.
This one is
Show me. Okay, come show me.
And toys. This.
It's for Tutu. Give it to Tutu. Let's see how he reacts.
This one.
Okay. Nice.
This one is crushed. The crushed. This one is crushed.
Okay, show me the front. Wow. Let mommy see all the cars, the Hot Wheels.
No, you hold it. Let me hold it. There you go.
Thank you. Look, Eli. Wow. Wow, Eli.
And open.
89. Wow, look at that.
Look at that.
Look, Eli. Which one do you want? Tutu?
This one. This one.
Take it out for him.
Grab one, Jaiden.
This one.
Uh-oh, pick it up. Here, let's put it down for you. You can grab it. Little Hot Wheels. You got it? Oh, there they go.
There you go.
Wow, let him see it, Jaiden.
Wow.
Amazing, right? Which one do you like, Eli?
This one.
Let me see which one you like, Jaiden. Bring it to mommy. Let me see.
This one.
Did you like the box the most, huh, Eli? Let me see, Jaiden. Bring it over here. Let me see which one you're playing with.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, that one.
You dropped one? You got it, Eli? There you go. Let me see. Wow, look at that. Pretty amazing.
Oh,
You crash? Look at Eli. Which one do you have?
look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Go. What's that? Guys, like.
Where's yours, Eli? Look at your card.
This one, this.
Let me see. Show
This
me.
one, this. See,
You like it?
this one.
That one is the same?
Yeah.
Show me the rest. Which one is the same?
This one, this.
Hi, Eli.
This one. School bus.
School bus?
This ice cream.
Oh, it has ice cream in it. So it's an ice cream truck.
I think the wings. I can't wings. This buggy.
This is pretty cool. I like this one.
This one.
Oh, look at the roof on this one. It's see-through. That is awesome. Let me see. I think you already had this one. I don't think that one came out the box. I think that's not. Let me see this one over here.
This one toy.
Oh wow, look at this one.
Look at this one.
I know, I
wheels.
like it. It has like pink windows and orange wheels.
This one.
Uh-huh.
Stop.
Oh, they're pink. Oh, I thought they were orange. Yeah, mixture.
Pink.
Where are the rest of them at?
This is the yellow.
Oh, let me see that one. What color is it?
And blue.
Green.
And green.
Yeah. What color is that one you have in your hand? Blue.
This.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Yeah. Eli, which one are you playing with? You gonna race him?
Yeah.
You gonna race your brother? That's your favorite one, huh, Eli?
Look, it's pink. The pink.
It's pink?
This one.
It's pink?
This. No.
What is it?
Great.
Okay.
This one.
Eli!
This one weird.
Oh, okay. Let's line them all up on the table and see which one's
What is this? This one.
Yep, put them all up there so we can see it.
And this.
Wow.
Titi, Daisy,
Let me see that other one I didn't get to see earlier. This one. Wow, look at this one. Pretty cool. You're gonna put them in the box. I don't think they're gonna stay on the box.
This one, no.
This one go night-night?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Eli, are you still over there playing with the plastic?
No. This one. Thank you, Titi.
Good job, Eli. There you go. Uh-huh. Jaiden, be nice. Oh, wow. Let me see. Wow. Pretty cool. You got a horn on it? Good job. Wow. What are you doing, Eli?
Touch it, Dad. Touch it. Nick. Look at this.
Wow. Cool, Jaiden.